Hey folks, David York here at the York Way. Out here doing a little work on the mule and thinking about all the cool stuff going on right now this year and this summer with, the United States of America celebrating 250 years of independence and Indian motorcycle brand celebrating 125 years. And, it kind of makes you feel a little patriotic and, think about your liberties and your freedoms and all of that stuff. And I'm thinking, the York Way would like to get in on that a little bit. I mean, we're just a little company, but, and we've been open for a blink of an eye compared to these others, but, I'd like to get in on the spirit of celebrating that kind of stuff too. So here's what I'm thinking that we're going to do. I think I want to reward our existing customers. I'm a merit-based guy. So I think I want to reward our existing customers with some free labor. And here's what I'm thinking. I think for every new customer that you refer to us, we'll give you 1 free hour of labor. Yeah, so for our existing customers, we will give you 1 free hour of labor for every new customer that you refer to us. Yeah. And then for the new customer, let's do a free thorough inspection of that motorcycle for the new customer, right? We find that a lot of bikes that come in here that have never been here before need a thorough inspection to find out what's needed to bring that bike up to a high level of roadworthiness. And so yeah, that can be pretty valuable as well. So let's do that. I mean, in kind of this spirit of America that we've got going on this year that we're all feeling, let's give away some labor. Let's give away some free labor to our existing customers that are, you guys are probably out there telling your friends about us as well. And if you're not, well, here you go. Let's incentivize that for you. Tell your friends, tell your coworkers, tell everyone you know that has an Indian motorcycle about the York Way. And for every one of those new customers that you send our way, we're going to give you 1 hour of labor to use on your next service. And for the new customer, we're going to give them a free thorough inspection of their Indian motorcycle. Yeah, so what are we going to call this deal? I mean, this is like the spirit of all this freedom and liberty and everything that's going on this year. So something about, let's call it the American spirit. That's what this is. You've got all these patriotic themes going on, motorcycles. I mean, what's more patriotic than in kind of the spirit of America or the American spirit than that? So let's call it the American spirit. There you go. That's our 2026 program. The American spirit. That's what we're going to call it. I like it. I like it. So there you go. The American spirit is for every new customer that you send our way, we will give you 1 hour of free labor. And again, you have to be an existing customer already. And if you're not an existing customer, come see us. Let's service your bike so you're now an existing customer. Then you refer someone else to us and you'll get that 1 hour of free labor, and the new customer will get that free thorough inspection of their Indian motorcycle. There you go. That's what we're doing this year. Come on, people. Let's celebrate 2026. Jump on board with the American Spirit program. And remember, you got to bring your Indian motorcycle to the York Way to have it serviced the way it was meant to be.